Natural approaches helped improve my prostate symptoms. 3 years ago, nightly bathroom trips were destroying my sleep. Getting up 4 times each night left me exhausted and frustrated. My doctor diagnosed benign prostatic hyperplasia, a condition affecting over 50% of men over 50, according to the National Institute of Health. The prescription medication helped initially, but came with unwanted side effects. Decreased energy and other complications made me search for complementary approaches. That's when I discovered lifestyle modifications that made a real difference. Saw palmetto became my first experiment. This palm extract has been studied extensively for prostate health. Research published in the Cochrane database shows mixed results, but many men report symptom improvement with consistent use. I started with 320 milligrams daily of standardized saw palmetto extract. Within 6 weeks, nighttime urination decreased from 4 trips to 2. The improvement wasn't dramatic overnight, but gradual progress became noticeable. Pumpkin seed oil surprised me with its effectiveness. These seeds contain zinc and essential fatty acids that support prostate function. Studies from the European Urology Journal suggest regular consumption may help maintain healthy prostate size. Adding 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds to my morning routine became a simple habit. The nutty flavor works well in yogurt or oatmeal. This small change contributed to my overall improvement strategy. Dietary modifications played a crucial role in my progress. Reducing inflammatory foods like processed meats and excess sugar helped decrease overall inflammation. The American Urological Association recognizes diet's impact on prostate health. Tomatoes became a regular part of my meals due to lycopene content. This antioxidant gives tomatoes their red color and may support prostate health. Cooking tomatoes with olive oil increases lycopene absorption, according to nutrition research. Green tea replaced my afternoon coffee habit. Polyphenols in green tea show anti-inflammatory properties in multiple studies. Drinking 2 cups daily provided antioxidants while reducing caffeine intake that can irritate the bladder. Exercise improvements were significant but gradual. Regular walking and basic strength training helped reduce symptoms over several months. Physical activity supports healthy blood flow and may help maintain optimal prostate function. Pelvic floor exercises, similar to Kegel exercises, strengthened muscles supporting bladder control. These simple contractions can be done anywhere without equipment. Consistency matters more than intensity with these exercises. Stress management became essential for symptom control. Chronic stress increases inflammation throughout the body, potentially worsening prostate symptoms. Meditation and deep breathing exercises helped manage daily stress levels. Sleep hygiene changes reduced nighttime disruptions. Avoiding fluids 2 hours before bedtime decreased urgent bathroom trips. Keeping the bedroom cool and dark improved overall sleep quality despite occasional interruptions. Beta-sitosterol supplements showed promise in clinical trials. This plant compound may help improve urinary flow and reduce inflammation. Dosages typically range from 6,100 and 30 milligrams daily, but individual needs vary significantly. Quercetin, a flavonoid found in onions and apples, demonstrated anti-inflammatory effects in prostate tissue studies. Taking 500 milligrams twice daily with meals helped reduce discomfort for many men in research trials. However, individual responses vary dramatically with natural approaches. What worked for me might not produce identical results for everyone. Genetics, age, and overall health status influence outcomes significantly. Some supplements interact with prescription medications. Blood thinners, diabetes medications, and blood pressure drugs may require dosage adjustments when adding certain herbs or compounds. Prostate symptoms can indicate serious conditions requiring medical evaluation. Persistent pain, blood in urine, or inability to urinate demand immediate professional attention. Natural approaches complement, but don't replace proper medical care. Regular monitoring with healthcare providers remains essential. Prostate-specific antigen tests and digital rectal exams help detect changes requiring medical intervention. Early detection significantly improves treatment outcomes. Timing of improvements varies widely between individuals. Some men notice changes within weeks, while others require months of consistent effort. Patience and persistence are crucial for success with natural approaches. Combining multiple strategies often produces better results than single interventions. My improvement came from saw palmetto, dietary changes, exercise, and stress management working together synergistically.